CBI and IBM have partnered to address one of today's biggest issues. Medical and health providers are being targeted. Criminals know there are many challenges on the medical networks. One large problem for the medical health care providers is the attack surface is growing. According to a recent survey, approximately 10 to 15 different devices are connected to a typical hospital bed. According to a CISO of a large U.S. hospital, there are more than 46 devices connected to each NICU station. Ensuring the CPAP, IV lines, central lines, and apnea monitors are operating properly is essential into providing the proper security and care for its patients. This leads to another challenge in the medical field. Healthcare is burdened with older, unpatched, and very expensive equipment, such as an MRI machine that cannot be patched because it was configured with a certification back in 2010. This causes major problems for hospitals. Time, energy, and financial resources are being directed toward the healthcare's mission. CBI and IBM understand addressing cybersecurity needs to be timely, sustainable, and tied directly to the healthcare's core values. We offer a solution called CySAFE for Medical. We offer a risk assessment and asset inventory identification program. This program will identify technical control gaps such as current medical device inventory, including software inventory, communications within the medical network, connections outside the medical network, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Zigbee, open and vulnerable ports, log management, vulnerable software, default credentials, and weak passwords. These are typical problems that we find in many businesses. A recent survey that was documented in Wired magazine stated that there are 36,000 healthcare-related devices in the U.S. alone that are easily discoverable using the tool called Shodan, which is basically a search engine for what is on the internet. The assessment will also highlight the need for some process changes, including additional governance regarding third-party services, planning for upgrades, incident response, and an easy-to-understand RACI for all 35 controls of the CySAFE risk assessment. The CySAFE risk assessment is designed for any size organization. The CySAFE tool is an effective way to assess and plan your cybersecurity efforts. It can be conducted in 1 to 2 days. The data is private and stored in an Excel format. It's built by CISOs and CIOs and has been used through industries for the last 5 years. 4 of the major deliverables are how to get started on a cybersecurity initiative. What are your priorities? How can you gauge the impact, what's in scope and what's out of scope, and how to measure and track your progress. CySAFE was created from 3 well-known IT security frameworks: the 20 critical controls, ISO 27000, and NIST. The goal was to combine the 400 plus controls from all 3 frameworks into one condensed list. CySAFE helps you identify security management issues as well as lacking technical controls. And it's a great tool to allow you to provide progress to your boards as well as your staff. To learn more about this and other CBI offerings, contact us at 800-747-8585. Email us at help@cbisecure.com or visit cbisecure.com.